Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to the Dolly Room. I'm hanging out here with my Tonner dolls. I got some smart dolls and a couple other dollies and little knickknacks here that I need to straighten up because actually I need to find some more space here in Tonnerville because I have a new doll to add to that shelf. I've got the Fitzpatrick doll. She's a 1/6 scale 12-inch doll from Virtual Doll Convention designed by Robert Tonner. And she came out recently. There's two dolls. As I film this, she is still available in the Anne Boutique over at the Virtual Doll Convention website. I don't know how much longer those dolls will be there, but just, just FYI, they do sell out eventually. A lot of us have been waiting quite a while for these dolls, and needless to say, the tariffs and everything have really put a monkey wrench in all of that, but everybody persevered on the Virtual Doll Convention side. Robert, thank you very much for doing all that hard work for us. And now I'll open up my new Anne doll and show you what's inside, along with a few goodies I got for her. All right, I got the goodies out of the big bag. I messed up my nail, so please forgive my horrible fingernail. But I've got the goodies that I got with the dolly and the doll in here. It does look like her box got beat up a little bit. I'm hoping to actually reuse this box, so I think I can tape that. I have some heavy duty tape. I think I can tape that up because I do want to use this box to store her clothes and etc. in, which I did get her a couple of little dresses, and I got the wigged doll, so I've got two wigs in here. She has an assortment of wigs. For the one doll is wigged and one doll is rooted. So for the wigged doll, she has an assortment of wigs. There was one that had a French braid in the back that sold out like in 5 seconds. And I guess the wigs, from what I understand, can actually be worn by Grace as well. So you can see I got the one with the little braids. Oh, this is so cute. So it's sort of an ash blonde color. Oh, look at those little braids are so cute. It's very soft. I don't know if this is mohair. I don't feel like this is, but it's awfully soft. The other one, I believe, is mohair. This is the one, I can't remember, it's called like Storybook or something. It's definitely mohair, and it's kind of on the long side. Oh, it's got a bow in the back. I didn't realize that. I have a number of Blythe dolls that have mohair scalps, and I really like the mohair. This could be mohair. It's very similar texture. So yeah, so she can have a couple of different looks. Obviously, she comes with a wig, and then now I can switch her out if I want to, which I will obviously do that at some point. So let's get these wigs back in there. But it's nice to be able to reuse boxes and stuff like that for these type of things. So I did order something recently that I think is going to work with storing wigs. It's a sunglass box that you're supposed to put your sunglasses in. All right, let's see what I got. Okay, I'm very curious about the size of these dolls. I believe they're considered 1/6 from what I understand. They're 12 inches tall, but they're kind of Barbie-ish. They're smaller than Blythe, but not exactly Barbie size. So I got this cute little dress. She comes with yellow shoes, so I thought this dress would look really cute because it's got yellow in this pattern here. This is adorable. And it was very reasonable. That was another thing with these Anne dolls. She has a lot of shoes and clothing for them that is very reasonably priced. Because honestly, something like this I could make myself, but I think this was like $6, so, yeah. How cute. This is adorable. I really like this. Okay. Then, oh, this is free. Oh my gosh. Oh, cute. And these will go with this too. So I bought this because I wanted her to have a couple of options as far as her wardrobe goes. And I believe she can wear some Barbie clothes, so I will be doing a dress up at some point in time and trying different doll clothes on her. But I wanted her to have a couple of, like, this is so pretty. Again, this is probably something I could make. I mean, I definitely could. It's not that difficult, but for the price. And now she has, this is really nice. Now she has a couple of different things she can wear right away. So this is nice. This is super cute And now she has pants too. And some shoes. That's really nice of you. Thank you, Rachel and gang. So now she has a pair of yellow shoes that she came with. And then these like turquoise shoes. If I can get them out of here. Oh, come on, hand. I have a bum hands up. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. These are super cute. Let me take a look at this little jumpsuit. This is adorable. All right, get over there. All right, so nice. So she comes with an outfit and shoes, and now she has 3 different other outfit options. So her wardrobe is pretty decent. 2 pairs of shoes now. Yeah. For the new kid on the block, she's got a lot going on. Oh, I really like this trim here. How cute, and it's zippered. Okay, come on, hand. I have trigger finger. I've been complaining about it forever. Oh, all right. I'll do that off camera because it'll take me a little bit of time because my hand's so messed up. All right, so this is her current wardrobe, and now let me get this girl out of her box. So yeah, she's pretty well set. She's got 2 wigs, in addition to the wig that's already on her head, and these outfits. Now, it was really interesting to watch the video where Rachel and Christopher talked about these dolls, because with all of the hoo-ha going on with tariffs, they had to get these dolls and then box them themselves instead of them coming already boxed up. So that was like a whole nother layer added to what they had to do. And then she had these boxes made, you know, it says VDC, Virtual Doll Convention, on there just for these dolls. So, all right, nice. Aw, bummer. It's coming a long way. I'm in Florida, just FYI. So it is, you know, I'm amazed that it actually got here this quickly. Oh, that's right. So this is, you get a certificate of authenticity. This is number 44 out of 300. So this is a limited edition doll. And she's giving me some $15. Yes, I will probably spend that. Thank you. There's a coupon code, so I'm going to hide that a little bit. Cool. All right, nice. Yeah, I'd already been thinking about getting some other things, but I wanted to see the doll first. And so this is a little cutout. And Sunny Days too. Oh, to make a kite. How cute. Okay, that's really neat. All right. Finally, get in here and take a look at the doll. So here are her little sandals. Oh, those are really cute. So that's nice. So she has some closed-toed shoes and some sandals. Nice. I think this is just all tissue. Yes. So that was a sturdy box, and they packed her really well. Yeah, so she is bigger than I had imagined. I mean, I knew, you know, you know what their size is because they tell you the dimensions, but I always just have to see something in person. I'm not very good spatially, I guess is maybe the term, I think. I have to see something in person to be able to understand. She's got really good articulation. Yeah, she's got some big old feet on her. You know, I'm used to you know, a lot of Blythe dolls. As you know, that's the main doll I collect, even though, you know, Tonner is definitely getting closer to my Blythe obsession now. And they are much smaller. But look at her cute face. Oh my gosh. You know, I wasn't sure about her wig, but now that I see her in person, because I was kind of like, you know, I don't know. I'm not, you know, real keen on the wig that she comes with. And that's one reason why I got a couple. But now that I see her with the, you know, in person, I actually kind of like this wig. And she's got, I think she's kind of has like blue-gray eyes. They're painted. And just a smattering of freckles, a light, sweet face up. And she's got this cute little dress. Yes, so she's bigger than I anticipated, but a good size. She's a nice size. I think she would actually probably stand up unassisted. Though, I don't know if there's a stand in here or not. I'll have to double check and see if this comes with a stand. I think it does, honestly. I'll have to, but see, she's standing up, you know, on her own. Yes, she does have a stand. Good thing I double checked that. I didn't just check it out. So yeah, so wow, nice. Nice. All right. And because of the way they packaged these dolls, where they made the boxes themselves and you know, put the dolls in the boxes versus had them show up with the dolls already packaged. VDC Rachel was able to have the same price on these dolls prior to the tariffs. So I think that's saying a lot. I was really concerned about that. And as some of us know who have been buying dolls overseas, you know, you're going to get taxed on that. So this way she's really absorbed it for us. So I really appreciate that extra, going the extra mile there for her customers. Very nice. How cute. Oh my gosh. So let me know your thoughts in the comments about these cute little Ann dolls. She has an adorable dress. Oh, she's got panties. So she's got her little panties. Oh, and her little shoes. And there's so many different things I can do with her. My head's kind of spinning with so many possibilities that, yeah, super cute. I can't wait to try out all the dresses and the wigs and all that in another video. I won't do it in this one, but I will do a video in the future where we try the wigs on her and try some of her outfits and just, you know, do a little play with her. She's a, I wouldn't say she's like super heavy, but she does have a similar feel to an Elwyn or a Nema. She's a little bit lighter. I don't have a Grace yet. The Grace dolls are going to come out in late January, by the way, from what I hear. So, and all of this, if you're ever wondering, like, well, how do you know this stuff is going on the virtual doll convention website, she has an entire calendar of events and that kind of thing. And of course, she has a newsletter and her Facebook group too. But anyway, if you're wondering like what dolls are coming out and what other items she might be selling, if you go over to her website and look at the agenda there, the events, you can see everything that's coming up. So anywho, again, I will be signing off. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Let me know what you think about this new gal who's popped in here. And have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.